Hi there, I'm G and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we are making pretzel dip. Are you ready to take your pretzel game to the next level? This luxuriously smooth and cheesy dip can be reheated after you prepare it, or they can be consumed cold. But something tells me you won't have leftovers. So grab your pretzels and let's get ready to dip, dunk, and devour our way to snack heaven. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. To get started, we're going to prepare a double boiler over a medium-high heat. Then place 2 teaspoons of butter and 1/4 cup of finely chopped shallots into the bowl. Stir to evenly blend the shallots and butter. Then let the shallots cook until tender, stirring occasionally for about 3 to 5 minutes. You will also want to check the water level of the double boiler to make sure there is plenty of water. If it seems low, then just add a little bit more water to the pot and bring the heat back up to medium-high. Then add 16 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of hazelnuts, and 3 tablespoons of wheat beer. If you don't have wheat beer, you can substitute 1 teaspoon of ground coriander and 1/8 teaspoon of orange zest to replace the wheat beer. Then add 4 ounces of brie cheese, which can also be substituted for fromage. Then add 4 ounces of Swiss cheese and 6 ounces of cheddar cheese. Mix until everything is melted and glossy. Then add roasted red peppers, paprika, cumin, ground anise, salt, and pepper. Then you can blend all of that together and cook until it is completely smooth. Garnish with the chopped scallions and the remaining 1/4 teaspoon of paprika before serving, and enjoy. So, if you want the full recipe, check out the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you'll find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.